So, now we will be going for the class 7th mathematics. So, 4th session of the class exercise 1.2 continuation. So, before going for this exercise we had asked one question in the before class, which subject is called the queen of mathematics. So, everybody had guessed the answer, I think so. It is nothing but our mathematics. Our maths is called the queen of sciences. Okay. So, now we will be going for the exercise 1.2, the question number 4. That is the question number 3, find the value of the following. So, they had given you 4 questions there. I had solved 2 questions for you and other 2 questions will be homework for you. So, we will go for the first question, that is minus 3 minus of minus 4. You have to read like this, minus 3 minus of, that is in the bracket means if you have 2 signs we have to read the term like this, minus 3 minus of minus 4. So, repeat this, minus 3 minus minus of minus 4 using number line. So, this is the question. So, here if you have any bracket, that is one sign, after that if you have bracket we will be using the word as of over here. So, minus of minus 4 using number line. So, we are going to use this number line. We are drawing a number line here, as you know. Neutral number 0 will be between the positive and the negative number, 0 in between this, the positive numbers on right side and negative numbers on the left side. So, following the 0 always it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and here also it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it will goes on like this. So, the following 0 you have all the positive integers, following 0 in the left side you have all negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, like this it goes on. So, now we are going to find the value of minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. So, as you know, minus of minus becomes what? Minus of minus becomes plus, minus of minus becomes plus. So, we are writing the number minus 3 plus 4, minus of minus becomes plus here, equal to what is the answer? You can see here 2 numbers having opposite sign. So, opposite sign means you know you have to subtract the number and give the greater number sign. So, we are going to subtract these 2 numbers 4 and 3, it becomes 1, the greater number is 4. What is the sign for this? It is positive. So, your answer is plus 1 here. We will check this answer in number line, because your question they are asked to use the number line here. So, we are going to use it here, minus 3. So, we will start with minus 3, then you have plus 4. So, always positive means it will goes on in right side. So, how many places it should go? 4 places, because you have the number 4 here. So, 4 places after minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th number is 1. So, we are moving minus 3 to 1, 4 places we are going, because the question is minus 3 plus 4, plus means always right side. So, we are moving 4 numbers, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So, I am giving the arrow mark here. So, your answer is 1. Okay, I think it is clear for you. So, I will repeat the question again, minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. We are going to find the answer for this. So, first we will solve the number, that is minus 3 minus of minus 4, minus of minus becomes plus here. So, plus 4 which is equal to, now you can use these 2 operations, that is your second formula, opposite sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. We are subtracting these 2, we are getting the answer and we are placing the greater number sign here. So, this becomes plus 1. So, now we will use the number line to get the answer. As you have plus 4 here, we have to move on the right side 4 numbers, because you have the second number is 4. So, after minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you are getting the answer as 1. So, we got the answer here, the same one we got in the number line. So, you have the second subdivision, the same method you have to use it here, do that problem as homework and see. So, now we will be going for the third subdivision and your fourth subdivision will be homework for you. Similar to this you have to do the fourth subdivision. So, listen, a third subdivision, 35 minus of minus 64. So, as you know, minus of minus becomes plus, 35 plus 64, minus of minus becomes plus here. So, 35 plus 64. So, we are going to add these 2 numbers, because we have the same sign, add and put the same sign. So, we are going to add these 2. So, your number is 99. Since we have both the numbers as positive, we are giving the answer as positive here. Okay, and the fourth subdivision, try it by yourself. Now, we will be going for the fourth question. So, what your fourth question says is, Kabilan has 10 pencils with him. So, whatever we have to take the number as positive. Whatever we have the number, we have to take that one as positive. What we are going to giving it out, we are going to give as negative numbers. Okay. So, the Kabilan has 10 pencils with him. So, he is going to give the 2 pencils to his friends. So, for one friend he is giving 3 and other friend he is giving 2. So, whatever we are going to give as minus 3, because we are going to leave that number. So, we are giving minus sign for this, minus 3 and minus 2. So, totally how many pencils he had left now? Totally minus 3 plus minus 2. So, minus 3 and minus 2, if you have the total, if you go for adding these two, you know, same sign, add and put the same sign. Minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 5, same sign. We are going to add these two, give the same sign. So, minus of minus becomes minus 3, minus 2 is minus 5 here. Okay. So, now we will go for whatever pencils he had in the hand. So, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So, now he is having 5 pencils in his hand. So, again in the next day his father is giving 6 more pencils to him. So, totally 6 plus 5. So, now he is having 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. So, 11 pencils he is having in the hand. So, again after getting the 11 pencils in his hand, he is giving to his sister 8 pencils. So, if it is going to give, we have to take the number as minus here. So, it is minus 8. So, totally how many pencils he has now? 11. He had given 8 pencils. So, minus 8. So, what is the pencil in his hand now? 11 minus 8 is 3. So, totally he is having 3 pencils in the hand. Okay. So, I repeat the question. Kabilan is having 10 pencils in his hand. So, he is going to give 3 pencils and 2 pencils to 2 friends of him. So, whatever we are going to give, we are going to take the number as minus there. So, minus 3 and minus 5. How many pencils he had given now? Minus 5 pencils he had given totally. So, now how many pencils he have in the hand we will see, that is totally 10 pencils. We are going to minus 5 this. So, he is having 5 pencils in hand. After that in the next day his father is giving 6 more pencils to him. So, 6 pencils. So, totally he had 5. Now, 6 is added to this. So, 6 plus 5 becomes 11. So, again he is going to give 8 pencils to his sister. So, 8 whatever is going to give, it should be taken as minus. So, here it is minus 8. So, now how many pencils he have in the hand, that is your question. So, we are going to take the 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. So, 3 pencils will be remaining in his hand, that is your question number 4. Now, we will be going for question number 5. See here, a lift is on ground floor. So, wherever the lift is going up, we have to take a positive number. Wherever coming down, we have to take a negative integer. So, this is how we will go for it. The lift, wherever it stays, it is neutral 0. Wherever it goes up, it is positive. Wherever it goes down, it is negative. So, your lift is on ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then moves 10 floors from there, then in which floor will be the lift be? That is your question. So, now we will go for the solution. Floors down, how many floors it is going down? 5 floors. So, we are going to take as minus here, because wherever the floor is going down, it is taken as negative integer. So, 5 floors. So, we are taking as minus 5. Then floors up, how many floors it is going up? 10 floors. So, minus 5 and 10. So, now in which floor the lift will be? So, we are going to add these two, so that you can see in which floor the lift is there. So, that is minus 5 plus 10. So, you can see the negative opposite signs you have. Opposite sign means we have to subtract these two. If we subtract 10 and 5, it becomes 5. So, we are going to take 5, opposite sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. We are subtracting these two, which is greater number among this? 10. So, what is the sign for this? Plus. So, the lift is in 5th floor. Lift is in 5th floor. That is the answer. Okay. Now, we will be going for the 6th question. So, 6th question is, when Kala woke up, the body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for her fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was the temperature then? So this is the question. So what is the present temperature? 102 degree Fahrenheit. So after 2 hours she had taken the medicine. So the temperature lowered is 2 degree Fahrenheit. So you know lowered temperature means we should take as negative integer. So we are taking as negative -2 here. So what is the present temperature is the question. So we are going to take the temperature what she had before minus of 2, which is equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit. So now her temperature will be 100 degree Fahrenheit. Now we will be going for the 7th question. So a 7th question is what number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? That is the question. So what number should be added with minus 17 to get minus 19? That is the question. So minus 17 plus whatever number it is, we are going to give a question mark equal to minus 19 there. So this minus 17 goes to other side as plus 17. So we will have this question mark as such. Since we have positive symbol here, no need of changing anything. So if it is representing plus or doesn't representing there, it's represented as positive over there. இங்க plus இருந்துச்சு அப்படினு சொன்னா நீங்க இந்த இடத்துல எந்த sign போடலைனாலும் it's implied as there is plus there. Okay. So which is equal to minus 19, taking this minus 17 to other side as plus 17. So now you can see here minus 19 and plus 17, opposite signs you have. Opposite sign you have to subtract and give the greater number sign. We are going to subtract 19 and 17, it is 2, which is the greater number? Minus 19. So we are going to give this sign to the answer. So minus 2 should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19. So I repeat this, what number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? That is the question. So whatever number to be added, we are taking as question mark because we are going to find that one. So plus question mark is equal to minus 19. Taking this minus 17 to other side, it becomes plus 17. So now you can see opposite sign. Opposite sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. So we are going to subtract these two and give the greater number sign. Which is greater among this? 19. So the sign for this 19 is minus. So your answer is minus 2. So minus 2 should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19, that is the answer. And you have the 8th question there. So it is just to verify. So the question is, a student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 30. Is he correct? Justify the answer. So just going for checking this one, that is you are going to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. So you should, what is the answer you should verify. If it is 30, your answer is right. If it is not 30, you have to justify the answer. Justification means just you have to say whether it is correct answer or wrong. So go for doing this as homework. If you have any doubt, you can send it through comments. Okay. So go through all these questions, try out all this in the note and work it out and do the all homework problems properly. Okay. So now we will go for the last session, that is the quiz. That is the question is, now yesterday I had asked you the question, which subject is called Queen of Math Sciences, I had asked you. The answer I said you as Maths. Today the question is, which subject is called the King of Science? Which subject is called the King of Science? So think it out the question, we will go for the answer tomorrow. Thank you.